Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Smart English with Miss Bushra with another video of 10 commonly mispronounced words.
Word number one with another series of 10 commonly mispronounced words, part 6. Word number one is colander. The correct pronunciation is colander, not colander or cylinder. Meaning is a colander is a kitchen utensil used to drain liquids from food. Basically, when you are making any food and you want to drain out the liquid from the solid food, you use colander. Word number two, that is whisk. Whisk. W-I-S-K. Whisk. Not wish or whisk. A whisk is a kitchen utensil tool used to mix and blend ingredients together. For example, when you are making coffee for your mom and dad and you want to whisk it, or whenever you are making, cake, you want to whisk. That is not Vicks, that is whisk. Whisk. Word number three, that is sieve. S-I-V, sieve. Sieve. The correct pronunciation is sieve, not sieve or sieve. A sieve is a kitchen tool used to strain and separate particles from liquids or solid. Likewise, when you are making tea, you have to sieve the tea to get the liquid out from the tea leaves or any other. Word number four, spatula. Spatula, not a spatula or spatula. A spatula is a flat, wide kitchen tool used for flipping and serving food. We usually use this tool in our kitchen. Now, everyone, kindly use these vocabularies in your kitchen items to enhance your English words and understanding. The next word, word number five, that is can opener, can opener, not can opener. It's not pen, it's pen. Can opener. A can opener is a device used to open metal cans. You use it for, cold drinks, you use it for a lot of jars and many other metal cans. Word number six, and a very common word that we usually use in our kitchen, that is peeler. Peeler, not pillar. It's not pillar. It's peeler. A peeler is a kitchen tool used to remove skin from fruits and vegetables. Likewise, if you have potatoes and any other vegetable like carrots or something, so you need peeler to peel anything. Word number seven, we have, that is greater, like the gray color. It's like greater, not great ear or greater, right? So grater is a kitchen tool used to shred or grate food. Okay, let me give you an example of pizza. So listeners, we have pizza. And what we do to make a topping of our pizza, we grate cheese as a topping of our pizza. So we do the greater work. That is what we do in order to make our pizza yummy and delicious. Word number eight. That is, the correct pronunciation is saucepan. Saucepan, not saucepan or saucepan. 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 A saucepan is the deep, narrow pot used for heating and cooking food. Basically, it is used for a lot of purposes, like to have preheat the leftover food, or it's a kind of a utensil we use it a lot of for a lot of work. Word number nine, another word very commonly used, that is cat. Cat. Okay, the L is completely silent here. We are not going to say that cattle or cattle. It's cattle. A kettle is a kitchen appliance used to boil water. And you don't only boil water in that, by the way. You make tea in kettle, you make coffee also, and you may boil the water also. So it is a very useful tool, and we use in our kitchen to preheat the water also. Word number 10 and the last word of this series, part 6, that is blender. Blender, not blend. It's not blend. It's blender. Blender. A blender is a kitchen appliance used to mix and pure food. It's basically when we have summers, we want to have puree food, or we want to have smoothies, milkshakes, juices. Children love to drink juices. So there we are going to use blender. Blender to blend our food into juices. I hope this video is useful, and I want your comments in the comment box. Which series you want me to start to enhance your English fluency? I know listener English is a tough language, but nothing is impossible. If you are consistent, you can do wonders. The goal and the step and the secret ingredient is only consistency. So listen, watch, read. These are some of the elements that we have to focus while we are working to be a better speaker in the world of English. I hope this video is helpful. Please share this video with those who are in search of education. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching my video. Do share, like, and subscribe, and press on the bell icon for the latest updates. Hope to see you in the next video.
So please like, share, subscribe.